tropical weather. Button up your overcoat because it's wet and windy tonight.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed to rest his head and didn't get up till the morning. The rain clouds are shouting, the flowers are sprouting, their leaves are green, it's time for spring, no more time for pouting. It's spring! It's summer, it's sunny, the whole world seems funny. We run and play, no work today, we lay out on our tummy. It's summer. It's windy, it's chilly, my costume is silly. It's autumn time and all seems fine. It's windy and it's chilly. It's fall. It's snowing, the cold wind is blowing. It's quite a sight, my breath is white. Winter time is showing. It's winter! Yay! Woohoo!
Subscribe to our channel. And remember, be fantastic. We love you. Bye-bye.